Want to change?
I want to dye my hair so bad.
You want to dye your hair what color?
I don't even know, but I just want I want to dye my hair.
So why don't you?
I fear what I'd look like, but I do really want it. I want to shave my head or dye my hair. I just want to go crazy. But I feel like
I'm a big fan of the G.I. Jane spot.
I just want to do something with my hair.
You know the G.I. Jane spot?
No.
Shave your own head. Shave your own head in the middle of the ring.
What if I did?
Hey.
What if I did?
If you really want the wrestling world to sit up and take notice of you, and you want to send shock and awe